Hello everyone, welcome to today's video. So in today's video, I'm going to be talking about the theme editor for WordCast Live. So I'm going to be walking you through the theme editor, how to create theme in which you can use for presentation, maybe scriptures or lyrics in your presentation. So that's what we're going to be doing today. So let's get right into it. So if you open the software for the first time, this is what you're going to see, the interface. So to get access to the theme editor, is either you click on this button right here, this button at the top here, or you come to the theme tab and click on new theme. Either of the two way you're going to get to the theme editor. So let's click that new theme. So if you get to the theme editor, you're going to see this interface whereby you are going to have on the left side you're going to have the layers and the preview, and also on the right side you're going to have the property of your theme, while at the top you have the toolbar in which you can use inside your theme editor. So let's try and create a theme for maybe we're going to create one for lower thirds and we're going to create one for the full screen. So that lower third is going to be for Bible, which is the Bible lower third. So let's create that, and we're still going to create for screen also. So let's get right into it. So as you can see right here, by default this is what's going to be showing right here. So what you can get, you can just delete all this by selecting it, then click on delete, selecting the shape, click on delete, and also the reference, click on delete. So now we have a blank canvas in which you can work on. So to create theme, the first thing I'm going to do, you can just give your theme a name. So I'm just going to give it a name. Let's say truth lower third. So let's just leave it like that. You can click on save to save that state. So the first thing I'm going to be doing is that I'm going to be adding a shape. So let's create something like a lower 18 for, let's say, the celebration church, which is red and white. Let's try and create something like that for the lower third. So first of all, we're going to add the background shape, which is this one. Currently the color is black, so I'm just going to be selecting red. Come to the property area right there and let's select the red. And also, if you notice right here, we have this opacity here is set to something. So I'm just going to move it to 100 to bring out the entire red. So that's the first thing we're going to do, red. So we can add a new shape also. So we've added a new shape, which is this one currently. So I'm just going to move this. So I will move this to the bottom. So what I'm going to do is that this second shape here, I'm going to resize it and bring it down like this here. So I'm just trying to create the top section whereby the reference is going to be for the Bible. So I'm just going to increase the width a little bit more, and let's change this to white. So select white, and also don't forget to increase the opacity. So now that's it, we have this temperature. So for this theme to work, we're going to add a text layer in which our Bible and our reference is going to be. So the first I'm going to be adding is the body of the what do you call it, of the scripture. So once you click on add text, automatically it's going to select the body. So just bring it to the top right here. You can resize this to fit into the background, the shape at the background. So as you can see here, we have a layer row. So if you come here to the body, to click on the drop down, you're going to see reference, you're going to see body of verse, you're going to see lyrics, and you're going to see custom. So I'm just going to leave it at body of verse because this is for verse. Then here you can select the font, your desired font, and here you can select the font size. You can increase and decrease. So let's just leave it at this. Then you can select the font width. I like this, so let's do something like this. I think this is okay. And also for the alignment, I'm going to start it from the left. I prefer starting the alignment from the left. So you can increase the line height if you want line height, but I'm just going to leave it. I don't want that. So also you can, the text color, you can select anyone, but I'm just going to leave it at white. So we are going to add in another text layer, but this time it's not going to be the body. We're going to select reference. So click on add text, and from the layer row here, come here and select a reference. As you can see, it automatically select the reference. You can just reduce the size and bring it to the front there. I'm just going to select red for this color for this reference, so I'll select red, then reduce the size of the of this. So I think that's okay. So come back here, font weight I'll be using, let's use 700 and reduce the font size. Okay, then let me put mid center or maybe left or mid left, anyone. So let's just use this mid left. So we've just finished creating a theme for our presentation. So click on save right there and close. And if you come to the theme editor here, you can see your theme right there. So here is how to creating a WordCast. So in the next video, I'm going to be showing you how to apply this theme to your presentation for scripture presentation. See you in the next video. Bye. Thank you.